Hey there, my name is Kelly Smith, Director of Development for the College of Design, and today with Inside Design, we are here with Dr. Brittany Boykin, Assistant Professor of Music in the School of Music. Brittany,
Yes.
thank you so much for
you.
agreeing to do this next edition of Inside Design. We're really excited.
Absolutely.
Tell us what's going on in the School of Music and all of the wonderful work you're doing.
Yeah, there's a lot going on. We celebrated the recent retirement of Jerry Ulrich, and so we both work with the choirs here at Georgia Tech. He conducted the chamber choir and the Georgia Tech Glee Club, which is one of the oldest glee clubs in the state of Georgia.
What?
Right
Wow.
here at Georgia Tech. Yes, so we are excited for him in this new season of his life. And I also conduct the Georgia Tech Chorale and Georgia Tech Treble Choir, which are having 2 concerts coming up. So if you would like to come, Treble Choir is doing a Halloween concert on Halloween in West Village at 7 o'clock, and then Georgia Tech Chorale will be joined with the Georgia Tech Chamber Choir coming up in Sunday, November 17th at 3 o'clock at First Presbyterian Atlanta. I know that was a lot, but Georgia Tech has great choral students, and so you should come out and support. With me professionally, I recently premiered an opera this summer called Two Corners about my late grandmother.
Oh, wow.
So that was really cool with the support of Opera America from a grant that they had for women composers. And it was supported with Finger Lakes Opera. So that happened back in June. And then I recently went to New Zealand and competed in the World Choir Games with the Atlanta Music Project and their high school senior youth choir. And they actually won for the youth choir division, won gold. And so we went to New Zealand. That was in July. And a lot of wonderful things have been happening.
That is wonderful. Thank you so much for telling us what's going on. And that is the latest edition with Inside Design.